This dashcam footage shows a white Audi abruptly turning left into oncoming traffic, causing a T-bone collision with a pickup truck in Los Angeles. The reckless driving captures a white van running a red light and clipping the front of a car in Queensland, Australia. The reckless driving of the van driver puts everyone on the road at risk.
Subscribe to Red is Bad Drivers.
This dashcam footage captures a scary moment in Ploiești Prahova, Romania. A 73-year-old driver passes a red light and crashes into other cars. Driving in the rain can be hazardous, as demonstrated in this dashcam footage. I was driving through a green light when a car ran a red light and T-boned my car. This dashcam footage captures a horrifying moment in Austin, Texas. While driving back home after taking nieces out for dinner, my wife witnessed a pretty bad wreck after multiple people ran a red light. One car even almost rolls over, emphasizing the importance of obeying traffic signals. Dashcam footage captures a terrifying moment on the highway. The pavement is new, and the speed limit is 120 km per hour. I was driving at about 110 km per hour on the left lane when a black Chevrolet driver began tailgating me. Despite using cruise control, the driver kept getting dangerously close, swaying in the same lane. I changed lanes to let him pass, and that's when he slammed into two cars at 120 km per hour. Although part of the blame could go to the Nissan driver who changed lanes instead of braking, the Chevy driver's reckless behavior was the primary cause of the accident. In Mexico loses control and nearly hits a man selling street food after taking a curve too fast. The driver proceeds as if nothing happened. In Texas speeds into the opposite lane to pass the camera car, loses control, takes out a street lamp, and manages not to hit anyone.
Subscribe to Red is Bad Drivers.
Car runs a red light and causes a collision, captured by a dashcam. The driver tries to claim they're not at fault to their insurance company. This dashcam footage, a driver fails to notice two collided cars on the freeway and tries to avoid hitting them too late. Dashcam footage captures a scooter driver running a red light and colliding with my car. Thankfully, the scooter driver is okay, but I'm left with damages worth $2,000. The police have found the scooter driver guilty, and I'm planning to sue him for the damages caused. Dashcam footage captures the aftermath of a driver running a red light and T-boning another driver in Columbus, Ohio. You can hear a child in the background saying, "Oh no, the car broke." The incident serves as a reminder to always be cautious and follow traffic signals.
Subscribe to Red is Bad Drivers.
Distracted driving can have serious consequences, as seen in this dashcam footage. A person reading a text message runs a red light and collides with a motorcycle in Thornton, Colorado. The incident is a stark reminder to keep our eyes on the road while driving.